everyone, welcome back to another video. It's me Priscilla Benjamin. Today I am showing a tasty starter recipe. It's a dragon chicken. It's very easy to make, so let's get started and check out the recipe. First, marinate the chicken. I have cut the chicken into strips. Add pepper and salt. Add 3 tablespoons corn flour. Add 1 egg and mix it well. Add a pinch of garlic and ginger powder and mix it well. Make sure the chicken is coated well. And rest it for 10 minutes. In a wok, pour oil. Once it heats up, add chicken pieces and fry it both sides till it becomes nice golden brown in color. Now our chicken is fried. Let us keep it aside. Next we will make sauce. For that, in a kadai, pour 5 tablespoons oil. After it heats up, add chopped garlic, chopped ginger and mix it well. Add sliced onion and mix it again till it becomes transparent. Add salt and pepper powder. Add capsicum and saute well. Add cashew. Now add 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 4 tablespoons tomato ketchup and 3 tablespoons chili paste. Mix it well. Add little water. Now add all the chicken pieces and mix it well. Make sure sauces are coated on chicken. Finally, add 1 teaspoon sugar and mix it. Garnish with coriander leaves and sesame seeds. There you go. Tasty and saucy dragon chicken is ready to serve. Best combination with fried rice. Try it and let me know your comments in the comment box below. I will be happy to hear from you. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care and bye.